Welcome to this winter storm preparedness video. In the next few days, we will be experiencing high winds and blowing snow. Some meteorologists are calling for a storm of the century and record-breaking cold temperatures, so it's important to make sure we are prepared for this type of weather. I wanted to make a quick video to help you get prepared. Here is a checklist of 30 ways you can prepare for the winter storm. Make sure you have a winter emergency kit ready, including non-perishable food, water, warm clothing and blankets, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. Charge all of your electronic devices and make sure you have backup batteries. Fill up your gas tank in case you need to evacuate or use your car for an emergency. Make sure you have a way to heat your home, such as a fireplace or backup heater. Stock up on any necessary medications and make sure you have a sufficient supply. Keep your phone charged and make sure you have emergency contact information stored in it. Make sure you have a way to stay in touch with loved ones, such as a landline phone or a two-way radio. Know your evacuation route and have a plan in place in case you need to leave your home. Keep a supply of sand, salt, or kitty litter on hand to help with traction if you need to walk on icy sidewalks or driveways. Make sure you have a way to shovel snow, either a shovel or a snowblower. Check your roof and clear any debris or snow that may be building up to prevent damage. Secure any outdoor furniture or items that may be blown around by the wind. Know how to shut off your water and gas in case of a leak. Keep a supply of cash on hand in case power outages prevent you from using credit or debit cards. Check your insurance policy to make sure you are covered for winter storm damage. Know how to properly use a fire extinguisher in case of a fire. Keep a supply of warm blankets and clothing in case you lose heat in your home. Keep your car's emergency kit stocked and make sure you have warm clothing and blankets in case you get stranded. Keep your phone charged and consider keeping a portable charger in your car in case of emergencies. Keep a flashlight and extra batteries in your car in case of a power outage. Make sure your car's tires are properly inflated and have good tread. Keep your car's gas tank at least half full in case you need to use it for an emergency. Check your car's emergency kit and make sure it is stocked with supplies such as a first aid kit, flashlight, and warm blankets. Make sure you have a way to jumpstart your car in case the battery dies. Keep an emergency road kit in your car, including things like a spare tire, jack, and road flares. Stock up on non-perishable food items that don't require cooking in case of a power outage. Keep your pets safe and make sure they have a warm, sheltered area to stay in during the storm. Make sure your pipes are properly insulated to prevent freezing. Keep a supply of candles or other emergency lighting in case of a power outage. Stay informed about the storm and listen to weather updates and emergency instructions. I hope this checklist has helped you prepare for the upcoming winter storm. Remember to stay safe and check on your loved ones during the storm.